In this question, you have to point out when extrusion of second polar body from egg nucleus occurs. Option A, after entry of sperm but before fertilization. Now, the second polar body is extruded after the sperm enters the egg but before the completion of fertilization. And the sequence of events are, first of all, during oogenesis, the secondary oocyte completes meiosis 1, but it is arrested in metaphase of meiosis 2. But upon the entry of the sperm into the oocyte, it triggers the secondary oocyte to complete meiosis 2. And as meiosis 2 completes, the oocyte extrudes the second polar body, which occurs just before fertilization. Hence, it is the correct option. Option B, after fertilization. It is incorrect because, as already mentioned, the second polar body is extruded before the sperm and the egg nuclei fuse, which is before fertilization. Option C, before the entry of sperm into ovum. It is also incorrect. The secondary oocyte only completes meiosis 1 in response to sperm entry. Option D, simultaneously with first cleavage. It is also incorrect. The first cleavage occurs after fertilization is complete, but extrusion of the second polar body occurs before fertilization.